Hello and welcome to your new distributor training. Congratulations on launching your SENEGENCE business. I am Summer and I'm here to walk you through a quick and easy step-by-step process to launch and build your personal business. We put together a PDF workbook for you to print out and use while you're going through these trainings. Make sure to do that. When you write things down, it just solidifies your commitment and it kind of works together with your subconscious to help you achieve those goals and stay on track. We've got tons of resources in there. My suggestion is to get a binder with some page protectors to put some of those PDF flyers in. And then you can punch holes in the other items so that you can use it as a workbook to write in. So be sure that you don't skip that step. That helps with accountability and gives you some place to go. It gives you a guide and a path to continue to work on your own in between catching up with these videos. So make sure that you print out your workbook. By now you've probably met with your personal sponsor and she or he has walked you through these first steps. However, we wanted to provide a video for you to go back and reference as you work on these tasks. The first thing you want to do in the first 24 hours of signing up with SENEGENCE is to get some stripes on your hands. This is your easy, free marketing tool to get people to ask you about your business. You want to be in the habit of putting those stripes on before you leave the house every single day. So this is the easiest thing that you can do to start marketing your business every day. The next thing you want to do is work with your sponsor and your family and discover and uncover your why behind joining SENEGENCE. What was it that you saw in this business that made you want to join? What are the possibilities and dreams that you have personally and for your family that you see this business helping you to achieve? You want to ask yourself those questions and actually write it down. Put it on the refrigerator, put it in your desk, make an image on your phone so that you are always looking at that why. That why is going to help you as you encounter bumps in the road and fatigue and maybe some people who aren't as encouraging and supportive as you would like. Going back and reviewing that why and getting back into touch with the reason that you saw this business for yourself will help you along the way. So don't skip that step. It seems really simple, however, it's something that's going to serve you all along your SENEGENCE journey. The next thing you want to do is get together with your sponsor and set a date for your launch party within the next 7 days. And I know that that can seem a little bit scary. However, urgency is really important in helping you launch your business. You don't want to sit around for 2 weeks over planning for a party that you could easily put together in a day or two. So set a date within 7 days, and even if you don't have a huge turnout, we'll show you how you can turn those "I'm not available" responses into a confirmation for your next party. So now that you've done those 3 things, your only job for the next couple days until your party is to get really good at inviting people to your event. And that could be a very simple phone call where you reach out to somebody and say, "Hey Susie, I just found this lipstick that I absolutely love. My girlfriend's gonna come over with all the colors and we're gonna play makeup. I'm having a party on Tuesday at 4 o'clock. Are you available to come?" And that's it. Simple and easy. You could easily get through at least 10 invites within 30 minutes. So that's it. The first things you need to do in the next 24 hours is to get your stripes on your hand and make sure they're on there every single day. Discover and write down your why and set your date for your launch party so that you can start inviting people. If you haven't done that yet, you pick up the phone, reach out to your sponsor, and get it done. Next, we're going to talk about what to do in the next 72 hours. So once you get done with those tasks, hop on over to the next video and we'll get going on the next step of your launch of your SENEGENCE business.